Greetings friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much friends for watching. If this is your first time, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much friends for watching. In this video guys, I want to show you how you can use cinnamon. I will show you two to three different remedy to use to attract money manifestation. So in today's video is how to get money, how to get luck, how to attract your star to money, abundance, luck, prosperity, job successful, job interview successful. So that is today's video. We all know cinnamon attracts money, prosperity, peace. Where they say conflict in the house, we use cinnamon. How can you use cinnamon to stop conflict? If you're burning a candle, it could be birthday candle, it could be birthday candle, or dining candle like me, you want to write peace. You use feather. I use feather a lot. You use feather to peace. You write peace and you're going to light your candle. You can sprinkle a little bit around your candle. Like as I'm burning this now, if I wish, I can sprinkle peace. You mention peace. Peace be in this house, abundantly, blessing, prosperity in this house. That is how we use cinema. We use cinema as well for love, attraction, money, peace. If you are living in a large house, you can sprinkle around the house, around the corner of your house. And if you are the type of person that you usually spend one before another, and you want to sprinkle a little bit around your wallet, or if you can get the wood. I like the wooden, but I blend the remaining one because I love using cinnamon. So we use cinnamon for money manifestation. So you sprinkle a little around your wallet, around just tiny bit of cinnamon around your wallet, and you say that you pronounce peace. You connect your energy with this, that you want money. I don't want to be broke, because the Bible says we should utter a thing, and there's the power in the tongue. You pronounce that I want money, I want peace, I want prosperity. I don't want to be lacking anything today. And if you have a shop, if you're a businesswoman, if your business has been quiet a little bit, you can use cinnamon for money manifestation, four corner of your shop. And if you have something like mine here, you can use white candle, transfer your white candle here, and you want to sprinkle as if it's just like that. Let the fragrance blow away around your shop or your house. You're going to see different. You're going to see increasements, money. People is going to be dashing you money. Or if you are going for a job interview, because you've already burned your cinnamon in the morning around your house, or you can actually sprinkle a little bit around in the front of your doorway, or you can put a little bit under your footpath for prosperity as well. So that is what we use cinnamon for. And we all use basil. We know basil, guys. I'm going to tell you a lot of basil. Basil is full of money manifestation, prosperity, abundance, increasements. And we use basil as well to bath. You can use it to bath as well. You use it for a spiritual bath as well. And we use basil to send back to sender. If there's a conflict in the estate or wherever you are working, you can sprinkle a little bit in your candle here, and you can start burning it like the way I'm burning this now. If I want basil, I can put basil. We use basil a lot. You can put a little bit around your candle, you burn your basil, and you can sit back to sender whatsoever things that is annoying you, that you could not get a clarity. You speak to basil and you burn it, and you see changes. And how do we use basil? How do we use basil? Basil is full of money. You can sprinkle a little bit of basil in your wallet, and you can do the spiritual prayer with basil. You can use any psalm in the Bible. You can pray in the middle of the night and say that I'm going to use. You purify your basil You pray before using your besu, isn't it? You use your tongue, you pray, I'm going to be using your this plant, God, you created this plant for our good. I know the meaning of the besu. We use besu to invest money, to manifest money to our life. And you can sprinkle a little bit of besu into your wallet or in the four corner of your house as well. You can use it to cook. I use it a lot to cook. You know, if you're the type of person you always get yourself broke, no, get a peso, get organic peso, sprinkle a little bit of it into your wallet, and you just say something that I shall not lack. I want money, I want money, I want prosperity, I want it abundantly. I'm going to my interview. As I'm going to interview today, I should get love. And so if it's dollar you want, you write the dollars, you get a plain paper, you write the money, manifestation, abundance, luck. If it's work, you are going for job interview, you write whatever you want there and you fold it towards you. You fold it 3 times. You want money, or if it's a work, like my job interview shall be successful, 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 you know, and you just bury it into your bizu like that. You just use it to bring luck. There's a good energy around it. Or if you are looking for money, you draw the money that you want, you write all the money you want, and if it's a dollar sign, you want money, I want money, money, you claim money every morning when you are going, and you take that to hate. If the money that you're expecting, if you get the money, you're going to burn this or you can bury it, just burn it and let the flames go. If you are a market seller, you get your, if it's hero, you're expecting for people. If you are living in abroad, you are selling something in the house, you want money, just the money that you know that you are not going to be touching. You want, if the biggest money in your wallet, you want to do it 3 times, and you just put it under the vessel, or just make sure the vessel is surrounded with it, and you put it under your bed where nobody can see it. You will see, you will never get broke. You will never get broke. I'll use it a lot. You never get broke at all. So that is all I have for you guys today. If today is your first time of seeing this video, help me to share this video. Subscribe to the channel for more remedy, for more spiritual aspects, guys. And I will leave you with this. Stay blessed. Bye for now.